We do a full set of reconstruction, upper and lower, just in 3 to 4 days. Full mouth reconstruction, that's what I want to talk about, because usually patients come from Seattle, yeah, just an example, or Colorado, or another state. We do a full set of reconstruction, upper and lower, just in 3 to 4 days, depending about if you will need root canals or if you will need some extraction. Yeah, that's the way we do dental work here in Tijuana. We recommend our patients to stay around 3 to 4 days, and we do the full mouth reconstruction.
Get a great smile with Dentification. Visit a hand-picked dental clinic today.